Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do an unboxing video for a new subscription box. So trying it for the first time. This is a Frizeal box and I got it yesterday, so I'm just gonna open it and show you guys what I got in this time's box. So let's open. So this is how the box looks like. It's a huge white colored box and over it it's written Frizeal, yeah, their logo, and it's like nicely wrapped. So I'm just gonna open and see what I got this time. So this is how the box looks from inside, nicely bubble wrapped. I can't see any product right now, but let me just unwrap the bubble wrap and then I can see products. Okay, so alright, I'm so excited to show you the product. Alright, the very first thing I see is this bag. Look at this bag, it's so cute. It's small little bag, handbag, and I really like the color. It's like a cream and dirty pink, yeah, dusky color. Yeah, I really like the color and it's so compact and cute handbag. It's pretty. Oh, even inside I have lots of products, so I think that they have info card in here as well. I don't know. Anyways, so very first thing inside the bag I see is Nescafe cappuccino. It's like an instant coffee. I have a lot of these, so yeah, that's that. Is a Kajal. This is Kohl Kajal by Elenblu Cosmetics. Never heard of this brand, but would definitely be trying it out. Ooh, fancy packaging. It's like a sliding packaging. Yeah, this is how the Kajal looks like. It has a very nice fancy packaging. It's deepest black, made in Germany. Seems really nice. Let me just swatch it on back of my hand. Ooh, it's super creamy and it's super black. Look at the swatch. This was Elenblu Kajal. I really can't tell you the price because it's not written and I haven't even got the info card yet. So this Kajal retails for 249 Indian rupees. I can see the MRP on the packaging. 249 Indian rupees for the Kajal. And then I see earrings. Okay, so these are black colored earrings. Oh, these are kind of like a green black colored earrings, and they're really unique. The texture is like really unique. They're so pretty, super pretty. And then I see another pair of earrings and they are so pretty. They are red in color with black metal and super pretty again. Look at these, how gorgeous these are. They're super pretty. And I think that's it. Oh, I think I have one more piece of jewelry. I don't know what it is exactly. I think it's a neck piece. Yes, it's a neck piece and it's quite unique. So this is how the neck piece looks like. It has a like moon and a stone over here and it's silver in color, and then at the end there's a string and again there's a stone here. It's again very super pretty and super unique. I really loved the necklace. Alright, so those were the things which were in the handbag, and handbag itself is very cute. I really love it. I don't think so they have a long string along with, but they do have clips. They do have the clips for the long string, but inside I really can't see any long string, so I have to like use it like this only with the shorter string, just like a short handbag. Alright, so that was the handbag and stuff inside. Then I see one more thing and I think it's a pair of shades, so let's just open it. Alright, so these are black in color and this is how they look on me. Yeah, quite nice. I already have these kind of wafers. These are the shades. Alright, then I have one more box inside the box, so let's just open and see what it is exactly. Okay, it's like a tumbler. Ooh, it's super pretty. It's a tumbler and it's pink in color and it says this is my drink, and it also comes with a straw which is again pink. I really like the tumbler, especially the pink color and the texture it's having. It's super cute. And that's it for the box. My box is empty. I really like all the things. Kajal is nice, the tumbler is nice. I really like the bag as well. The earrings were also very pretty. The only thing which I really don't like is that they haven't given any info card where you can, you know, get the product info, like their prices and everything. And yeah, rest all the information about the box will be in the description box. Go and check it out, and if you like this box, go and subscribe. And yeah, that's it for the video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then please hit on the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.